Alright, what's going on everyone? So today I'm going to show you my $40,000 Shopify fashion brand case study. So I'm going to show you which traffic sources I used, how I used them. I'm going to show you my ad campaign as well. So you can see exactly how much I spent on all that stuff. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Alright, so first I was based on Magento, and then over time obviously we moved to Shopify, and what we did was I had a fashion brand and we just sold everything through Facebook ads, email marketing, and ranking myself on Google as well. So whenever someone searched for me, I'll be the first one to come up. So I got a lot of sales from email marketing, a lot from Facebook ads, and quite a lot from search as well. So it's all three. So don't forget, even if you're doing Shopify, it's not just Instagram influencers, it's not just Facebook. You can also use, search, email marketing, and YouTube as well. Don't forget, you can use YouTube as well. So, by the way, I made so we're gonna go into my campaign now, but I made a checklist, like a PDF checklist. So if you want to get that, it should be like a link in the description. It says free Facebook ads training. You can just download it straight away. So let's get into my ad campaign. So I'm gonna show you how much, where the money, how much I spent my money. I got my words messed up, but so we're in here now. This is the ad campaign. So you can see I spent like $1,000 on ads. But one main thing I did, which I have to mention, is you gotta build a Facebook page and Instagram page. So I'm talking from 0 to about 10,000 likes, and I made a tutorial on that. You can see here. So I've been through my campaigns before, so you can see it now, how to build Facebook pages. All that stuff. So if you want to learn a little bit more about specific stuff, you should find a tutorial for it. So you want to build your Facebook page from to at least about 5 to 10,000 likes, so that way, when someone does see it, it just gives that impression of that, you are a brand. But anyway, so let's get into my ad campaign. So you can see, one of the main things I did, was basically just, become good at one traffic objective. So the one that I used, was obviously link clicks. So you can see, for the clicks, and 7 cents per click. But you have to remember, obviously I've got about like 100 ad sets in that particular campaign. And actually, before we carry on, I just want to give a shout out to this guy, Lucien Nectar. Yeah, he made a playlist with my name, and he didn't finish off the word ClickFunnels, but he made the playlist, so that was pretty cool. I noticed it, I searched my name, I was like, wait, what is this playlist? And he made it, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, so yeah, let's just keep going. So the main thing I did was, you can see, is the traffic objective. And so obviously I go more into detail in the little PDF training, but you can see, so I use link clicks here. We got like super low link clicks, and so you can see this one here, we got 782 link clicks, 9 cents per click. But see, it just keeps going like that, simply because there were like few key strategies, and obviously the Facebook page just helps a lot. So the main way you want to build your Facebook page, is usually when you run these kind of traffic ads, people will like your page, even when they see the ad. So if I look in here, and if I look at engagement, we can probably look at page likes and see I got 758 page likes, and so 19 here. So in total there was about 809. So you might think, right, that's not 5,000, but it boosts your page. So next time someone sees your page, they're already seeing 800 likes or 100 likes. So alright, and then obviously people start seeing it, and then after that, obviously it kept going more and more, and then obviously it went all the way up to 10,000. It's like a snowball effect after a while, simply because, yeah, so the snowball effect, it really just boosts your likes over time. But yeah, so I did do everything from UK. If you didn't know, I am from UK, Birmingham, and so you can pretty much do this wherever you are, if you actually build a good brand. But so yeah, so the main things you want to do is follow the steps in the cheat sheet that I gave out, and really just decide which campaign objective is going to work the best for you. But like I said, the main thing you want to build up is your Facebook page, Instagram page. You want to use email marketing. You want to rank in Google search. Okay, so when people search for your name, or search for your brand or your product, you want to rank up high, because otherwise, other people, other websites are going to rank for it. So you're going to want to rank for that. So let me show you an example of someone who's making a ton of sales simply by ranking. Ads course yesterday. It's called the black box formula. You can check it out if you want. It's not for everyone, just for, so let's go here. So fidget cubes. You can see this guy, there's a few people that are ranked #1 for their particular things. This guy, fidgetcube.co, he's ranking right there on the obviously the ads. Unless you want to run ads, which is even better, you're going to want to run display ads. They most likely want to buy the fidget cube. So if you can rank yourself here, or at least on the first page, you can actually get a ton of sales. So the main way you want to do that is to obviously have the keyword in your domain name. All right. So so they can see this guy, the fidgetcube.co, I've already checked his traffic and all that stuff. So I saw that about 90% of his traffic is coming from search. So this really does work. Specific products like high value, high demand products like a fidget cube. So a lot of people want to buy that. And if you can, rank on that, you can literally dominate the whole market just by ranking #1. So he's probably buying it from AliExpress for like $5 and $1 shipping, and he's selling for $20 because he's ranked for the fidget cube term, and he's getting 90% of his traffic for free. By the way, this is for free. 90% of his traffic is coming from Google, and you can see his theme sucks because the theme doesn't matter. If you got a good product, you can see it's just it's a basic theme. It's nothing special. So that's why you're gonna want to rank in number. And also for email marketing, you're gonna want to. I just use MailChimp because I had like less than 2,000 subs. I just use MailChimp because it's just good. And if you got less than 2,000 email subscribers, you're gonna want to use MailChimp anyway. Their deliverability is really good, so I'll stick with them. Even for my other accounts where I got more than 2,000, I just use MailChimp simply because it's really good. So make sure you have some kind of automation sequence. It's really gonna make a lot of money for you. So for email marketing, you should be looking to make like $1 per subscriber per month. So if you got 400 subscribers, you should be making at least $400 a month from your email list, and you can actually connect your email list to Shopify. And what it does, that it actually tracks the revenue that you get from your email list. So that way, you know how much money you made, and if you're hitting your target. So if you're not hitting the $400, you got to change stuff up because you got to make $400 at least. So $1 per email subscriber. Usually I can get a bit higher than that. I can get up to $3 to $4 per email subscriber, but you want to start with getting one at minimum, and then keep moving up. So if you got 1,000 email subscribers, you should make at least $1,000 a month from that list. $1 per subscriber. So obviously that means 20% of your subscribers are gonna buy, and so on average it will be $1 per subscriber. So make sure you get that in mind, and the cheat sheet is going to be linked in the description. If you want to watch more, you can see I have a whole lot more where I go more into depth. So stay tuned. You can watch that, subscribe, just leave a comment as well, and that's all I got for today. Peace out.